are going to love the 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, security system, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.